Hey everybody, I'm Hunter the Fisherman, and here is your mountaintop pro tip. Okay everybody, for your third mountaintop pro tip ever, I want to show you how to set the hook. So you have your lure out there, right? It's going down, and you'll notice that your line's going out kind of like that. Just that's current. A lot of people make the mistake of, when they're just starting out, setting the hook with slack. You don't want any slack in your line when you're setting the hook. So here's how I could describe it. You'll reel in, and if you're a new fisherman, you know how everybody who goes fishing knows how a snag feels. All right, it's heavy at the end of your line. So I like to tell people, reel until you feel the heaviness of the fish, and then you yank. You hold on tight to the rod so nothing goes flying out of your hands. You reel until you feel the heaviness. You lift up and to the side. I like to the side. You can just lift up, but it's a quick jerk motion. I'll leave a little clip right now of me catching, maybe a compilation of me catching fish and setting the hook, so you can get a feel for it. Oh, I got one. Oh, holy, he took that. Oh, it's big. It's big. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube at Saratoga Bass Fishing, and don't forget to shop at the Mountaintop Pro Shop. Have a great one.